It's funny. I was wondering if there was a bear around. A couple big noises, but then I thought, no, it's just them bugging me. I think they sent them out on the road there from the lower part here. See what they got going on with them. You'll maybe get to notice when they give another call to them or something. You might have heard that little pop of a dog noise. There's some more going on. They'll be sending them up into the right there pretty soon, probably. Calling them up that way or however. I don't think they're sending them down into the town, but maybe they are. See how my noise travels down that way. Oh, he's staying in the lower section. Maybe not. I fully believe in a certain control system that they go by. And a lot of it has to do with confusion. And it's evident in animals and it's evident in humans. So the best thing is don't travel alone into the forest. That's the ultimate best way. So there's no confusion. You always have that second opinion there. Yeah, I know I don't have a good poll going on, but I want to just come down here a bit. This. So it doesn't seem like there's much going on for family there. A couple of crashes and noise most likely were not the bear that I got indicators from. I suspect that was just an indicator of some sort for whatever reason, maybe to the full extent of saying, hey, there's something over here for real. Okay, and then I make my choice whether I'm going to come and look or not. Like this. He came out somewhere around here and then traveled along into there. Now right now what they could be doing is they could be just keeping them kind of close to the edge. Keep them just go up like that. Keep them in that edge. Then pop them back out here and then keep them come across the field and come back up in. Or maybe they're going to be taking them right back up in there. And I'd say about 5 to 8 seconds back, I thought I heard a click back in there, so. My biggest concern is to make sure that there's not one that would come out from here. Be kind of cool if we got a pretender. Man, I sure wish I had my pole. It's not doing my neck any good right now. Make out that little bit of bark in there. It's not from way, way back there. So I'm going to do a shaky zoom of the whole kind of face side here. Even in this bush right in front of us. Chipmunk and then the fake frog, for sure the frog. It's too much like the old cricket stick system and they're doing it all the time to me here. It's very controllable too. If I turn and swing the camera that way, watch, it'll stop. Oh. There's another big one here. So that was a big break from here. It wasn't from the other side. So whoever did the first breaking is probably still back here. And it could mean that that bear is one of 2 or 3. Could have a partner cub. The cricket noise was coming from there. See if he keeps it up. Might have heard that other click just off to our right. That was only within feet of some sort. Trying to just find a little bit better lights, you know. Oh, there, that hawk is back. Where is he? I suspect that was the legitimate one. He was around. Yeah, that's right. I was hanging out with a hawk, waving to him and everything. Just before the bear came. And I think the hawk might be established here up in there somewhere, somehow, maybe. Don't count on me, but I think I was going into pointing out that they're hiding everywhere. However they got that squawk back there was kind of interesting. It's coming from this way now. So that was definitely this way. So that could mean that they're traveling the bear around here, because that's where the noise came from. I don't think it was here. So the bear is either getting traveled around here and might end up popping out for us, or that's just total mimicry. So you know how I'll respond, and maybe they're just letting him do what he wants. Maybe he's going around that side. I thought I heard a couple of the more clunkety wonks in here, because that's what you'll pick up. You hear different little taps and thuds and stuff, and you really, part of that saying, does a tree really make a noise in the forest when nobody's there, or something like that, that saying. Does the forest have any noise at all, is the good way to really put it, maybe, in a way. Because it's pretty incredible how silent it can be. It's beautiful silent. So the frog's back. See if he stops. Hear the change up anyways. not sending the bear out yet anyways. If that's part of the plan, it'll be... That was right behind me. That's somebody. Maybe a real squirrel. Or bird. Yeah, I think it's a bird. Giving the bird a little something to connect with. I find it's helpful. Still no sign of the bear. Maybe we should go closer, is that what you're saying? Let me focus again. There's a couple of areas I like up there, right in behind the post there. Some of those lower area right back in there and stuff, but where I park it looks a little bit better view. Some obvious looking areas in here. So I don't know if the bear is coming back. Let's continue forward. I'm betting on that they'll protect me. So whoever thinks I'm crazy, that's all I'm betting on. I'm looking behind me and everything to see if he's not coming up from behind. They are tricksters, they'll give that kind of a problem. Okay, I'm gonna bring the camera to a really hot area. And then I'm not gonna really talk once I get there. Okay, on the back hillside in there. Go for a good shot of it. I don't know if you ever noticed, but easy tap on leaves and stuff like that can make a lot of the clicks you hear. So even when it's raining hard, or maybe not really raining hard, where supposedly the dewdrops are really coming down and stuff, bring in the thought of tapped leaves. Because the reason I say that is because I've done experiments first getting them to stop and getting them to start again and stuff like that. So however you want to see that, I'm going to put you on pause here, I think, just for a minute. he's coming back out. I'm sure you don't mind. Maybe I got good eye full. I think I am. Without the camera. So it's not just this that I watch. It's not just this that I'm watching change on them. It's not just that you see back there, through there, all through there. That won't necessarily change much. Hopefully this isn't going to change a lot for a long time. Hopefully that won't change. But we'll see. It'll probably become a big development. But I know this one here, right along here, and where I camp there, tons of acreage right here. Tons. It's all being changed. That's the first phase. So that's why I say I got probably 2 years. That on my arm is nothing, guys. It was just me getting carried away, not thinking and scratching. Mosquito bite or something, and wasn't that necessary, you know? So yeah. So do your own research even in this video. Take your magnifying glass. You see right back there above my car and stuff? Maybe in that collection there or something. Maybe over that way. Just examine some of the dark areas and stuff and get right in close. Do a zoom on your camera if you can. And then even then use a magnifying glass. So, it's really, oh, that custom car? Oh yeah. Custom camper? Oh yeah. You guys want to see if anybody's right here? Is that where you're tempting? It's beautiful, eh? Just standing here having the great times of my life. Honestly. Yes, it's hard. But so is your life. And I'm saying that because I complain sometimes. But I still push. Whatever I'm saying, I'm just saying. And also, another thing we could be thinking here is the people who are still here. Yeah, I just haven't been, I don't know, it's not that I'm not motivated, maybe it's, I'm looking for new horizons on sharing the information and stuff. I don't know if the bear has come out, I forgot all about him. Okay, peace out. Tin Man getting back on track here.